Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making cookies. So, I hope you like this video and I have the perfect recipe for you. First we'll need some unsalted butter. So let's just open that up. As you can see, I have a whole block. We're obviously not going to use that much. We're going to use about 30 grams of unsalted butter. So about here. You can see it has like these little things. Each of them are 35 grams and then, not 35, 25. And then I got about like 30 grams. Let's just put this back the way it was because I like doing stuff like neatly. So let's put that away. So I put it on a plate. The reason I did is to put it in room temperature. 1 egg, you can put it in room temperature as well. That is totally optional. Not 2 eggs, okay? We'll be needing like this tray with some baking paper. So we're gonna get like the right amount. I got some scissors right here, and I'm just cutting off that extra bit because I don't know why it is there. Let's go up and then put it like this. Now let's put that away. 10 minutes later, my room temperature was done and it's pretty soft. I have some brown sugar that I will be using. I also have some caster sugar. You can also use white sugar if you want to. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2. Let's open this one up. And we'll be using 1/2 tablespoon of white/caster sugar. Kind of looks like a full spoon, but I added half. I added about a little bit more. And we have to mix about for 2 minutes. Let's add 1 egg and we have to beat it up. I love mixing, it's pretty satisfying. As you can see, I am finished, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of that. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And let's mix that all up. I'm gonna go ahead and beat it up with the actual electric mixer. And 2 minutes later, I got this nice fluffy thing. We need 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So after I added that in, I add a pinch of baking powder. I also added some sea salt, but I kind of forgot to film it. But make sure you do have some sea salt in it. Now I have it all my dry ingredients there. I just need to mix it all up. So now I'm just gonna mix everything up really well, otherwise the baking powder and sea salt would not spread out, and then in one cookie it'll be really, really salty, and another one it'll be too sweet. Now that we got all our wet ingredients and dry ingredients mixed up, we're going to add the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. And then we're gonna mix it all up. See how I'm mixing it up? This batch will make about 4 to 8 cookies. And I was like, why don't we improvise? And because I did not have some chocolate chips, I added Kit Kat. I figured this will taste actually really good. And I've cut 2 into these small pieces. Now I'm just adding them here. Let's mix it all up. So I have mixed everything up, and I'm just going to make it in a ball. And I also put my tray onto a bigger tray without gaps. So I'm just going to put it like that and put it in the oven. We're going to add it about 350 Fahrenheit / 350 Fahrenheit for America and 180 Celsius for Australia. And we'll put it in for about 7 to 8 minutes. I was just trying some cookies. As you can see, I had this ends out cookie for about 6 out of 10, and this one 8 out of 10. So here these are. Now I was amazed how this looked like, and here is the ultimate test of eating it. I wanted to do 9 out of 10, but I'm so sorry that I did the mistake out of 8 out of 10, but I actually recommend it 9 out of 10. And as you can see the Kit Kat inside, and oh my god, this is just amazing. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more and more videos. If you subscribe, that'll be awesome, and be sure to look at my other videos. Bye!